issue that I
You're a big fan of that channel, huh, Quint? Are
I
you a
mean,
fan
I'm
of
a
them?
big fan because they are one of the only ones in India who are fighting against this narrative of Hindutva and the current government. All other channels are mostly like propaganda channels for the ruling party, and they have become like Hindutva propaganda. So they
Okay,
are one of the
so
few channels which are doing that, and that's why like there is no other hope about. I mean, if we start going against
okay,
them.
but I'm highlighting your videos. So can I do you think they have anything that they said that is wrong?
Yeah, I think that the point that you highlighted, that they are exaggerating the issue, and like, yeah, that is up to some extent that is true. They're exaggerating. I mean, up to some extent, but
Where were they exaggerating? I don't remember.
the exaggerating is like they are showing that India is the economy is going down, COVID is going down, and they are connecting it with the love jihad. I mean,
Oh,
this may
okay.
be an exaggeration. The economy is not going down because of love jihad, but you can't say that the thing is false, because the governments are playing politics on certain non-existent issues, and the real issues get hidden. The people don't get distracted. Yeah, like Katie is very good pointing out good. The print is more neutral. The Quint is like extreme left, like woke left, and the print is not like that. Print gives how can I say, space to diverse people. So
Right, but if I criticize the Quint, if I some doesn't mean that I don't value their
yeah,
content.
it doesn't mean, I'm just saying that they are also not wrong. That's what I'm trying to say.
Right, I'm promoting them, so that's good. I'm promoting them to
Yeah,
people
yeah,
who
yeah.
want to know
Yeah,
the other
yeah, yeah,
side
yeah.
from India. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So, so yeah, the next
Is it
point that
safe for I have a question for the Quint reporters. Why do they keep showing themselves on camera? Is it safe for them?
I mean,
Like
yeah,
these
definitely. It's I mean, it's not that bad. Like if I say that, like then I mean, what can I say? Like sometimes people project it like the government is so fascist that they're attacking everyone, but it is not that bad. Also, that someone can't. I mean, just show their face and to criticize the government. But
Okay,
yeah,
good,
there
good to know.
are many cases against journalists. There are many cases against journalists. Many popular journalists are being harassed. So there are terror cases against journalism for journalists sometimes for no reason. And yes, there are problems, but it doesn't mean that I mean, like you just say something and you will be arrested. It's not like that at all.
Mm-hmm. I
So
don't
it's
think
not like that. Okay.
that's not what my concern is. My concern is that the Quint being associated with like anti-Hindutva narrative, and not for the government to come after you, but like a mob or something to show up at your door or something, or like if you not you don't even have to show up at your door. These
Yeah,
reporters are
yeah,
going
yeah. If a mob
inside,
shows up,
deep
then see,
inside.
yeah, they have some amount of bravery. Like there are many journalists in India who were shot dead by Hindutva mobs, so they have some amount of bravery for doing this kind of reports and analysis. And another thing is that if the mob comes, then the police will take action. It's not like the police is completely controlled, and it's not like that. And I mean, at least the
I
government
don't think the
will
police
also take action
unless
just to show people that it is doing something.
okay, so if you are a Quint reporter and people now associate you with like anti-Hindutva narrative, and you're report right
Yeah, people
in
will
the
hate
middle of
me.
it,
People will hate me, troll me, all these things. I mean, people mob can come at my house, but then I can go to the police if the harassment is like I
the
mean,
police
beyond a
usually
certain level.
shows up. Even in United States or more advanced countries, the police usually shows up after you're already dead. Like this, I'm talking even the U.S. Right? It's
No,
not
no, no.
like, hey,
Yeah,
these
yeah.
people are. Yeah, so
This
it's
happens
not
sometimes,
like
but it is not. This is not. I don't think like in India is such a crowded place that even if a mob comes at your house, there will be so many of neighbors of you
I'm
that
actually
will come to
changing
help you.
my.
So
I changed my
yeah.
narrative. It's not about showing up your house. These are reporters that show up in the places that the Hindutva people are having a protest. So it's not even about them showing up at your house. Like they just go there themselves. And if your face is now associated with the Quint,
Yeah, but they
then
see, for journalism, certain amount of bravery is required, and they have that. They know that
yeah, but
they face certain I mean dangers, but they do it because I mean they think that they should do something fruitful. Yeah. But if you don't want to take that risk, then you can become a propaganda machinery. Then you will be perfectly safe. Like, but yeah, but we don't respect them. We respect the people who, I mean, maybe their views are wrong. I'm not saying that all their views are correct, but at least they are standing up for what they think is right, and at least they are not just doing some propaganda. That is, Though
Okay, okay.
sometimes they do anti-government propaganda, but still.
By the
Anyway.
way, how many? We have 20 more minutes. How many more points do we have to touch?
Okay.
Do you have
So
enough time?
we are
Do
going
you
to
have
cover
enough?
some,
What are
yeah,
the other points?
this
I
kind
just
of
want to
about
know so
history.
that we could.
Okay.
By
So
the way,
that's what I was
Katie.
trying to say, that this kind of constant
Mm,
outrage,
mm-hmm.
okay, it really depends on the state. Like, come on, we have footage of the police watching the Hindutva beat and shoot people in BJP controlled states, in anti BJP states. Yeah, that is also another thing. Like, if you go to very like this Uttar Pradesh and all, then it becomes very dangerous. But for example, I am living in Bengal, so if Bengal means West Bengal. Here, I mean, say BJP is not that powerful, so yeah, so that kind of things is not happening. But violence happens, but not this
Yeah,
kind of
check your
violence. Uttar Pradesh
privilege.
is becoming more bad. Yeah,
Okay, okay. All right,
mob lynching
continue,
happens, I
continue.
know, but this like this kind of narrative. See, Ronak is wrong. Mob lynching happens in India very commonly. Yes, it happens commonly, but what is the percentage? How many people are living and how many people are mob lynched? Just see the ratio. I mean, if you see the percentage, that is negligible. That is not even considerable. It's not like if you just come to India, you are a common person coming to India and you will be lynched. It's not like that. I mean, no one feels like that. So yeah.